Hi, how you doing? It's me, Susan. I said my baby girl's Abbas.
What are you doing?
Recording you.
Hey.
Do you look like mommy? Do we look alike?
A little bit.
Got the same shaped nose, huh?
Nose.
But wear glasses.
Yeah, but yours doesn't have a cool inside.
I got a tongue ring. No tongue ring there. You're not getting one either.
When I'm 21, you can't tell me what to do.
We'll see. Dork.
Freak.
He's prettier.
You choose.
Look at them shoes. Peace. Do your peace out.
Peace out.
You mommy, baby girl?
Yes. Kiki. Yeah, mine, George.
You're weird.
Your freak is always.
I love you.
I love you too.
Who's prettier?
You too.
I say you are.
I say me.
Oh, thanks, Em.
I can't see me. All I see is my eyeball.
You like mommy's new iPhone?
Yes. Now I can see myself. I don't have to hold the phone when Mom needs a picture taken.
You just came over here just to get your picture on the phone, didn't you?
I have no idea what you were doing. Blah, blah, blah.
You have the same shaped teeth, don't we? Yeah.
But I don't have them all in yet. Still going. And a bumpy thing is really hard. Ah, you done got a color pop.
Stop.
Mine.
Okay. That's me and my girl. Laters.